In this video, I'll guide you through how to fill out the capital loss carryover amount in TurboTax. Understanding how to properly input this information can be crucial for accurately completing your tax return and ensuring you're getting all the benefits you're entitled to. So, let's dive right in and simplify this process for you. First, you'll want to start by opening your current tax return in TurboTax Online. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll input or review your financial data. If you're not already logged in, make sure you have your credentials handy to access your account seamlessly. Once you're in, you'll see a user-friendly dashboard designed to guide you through the tax filing process. Next, take a look at the left-hand navigation menu. Here, you'll find several options that will direct you to different sections of your tax return. For this task, you'll need to select Federal. This section covers the federal aspects of your tax return, including income, deductions, and credits. By selecting this, you're ensuring that you're in the right place to address your capital loss carryover. With Federal selected, your next stop is the Wages and Income tab, which you'll find at the top of the page. This tab contains all the income-related information you'll need to input or verify, including any wages, salaries, and investment income. Clicking on this will open up a detailed view of your income sources, allowing you to navigate to the Investments section. Scroll down through the income categories until you come across the Investments and Savings section. This is a critical area for those with capital gains or losses, as it encompasses your investment activities. Here, you'll find options related to stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and other investment types. Once you've located the Investments and Savings section, look for the option to start or revisit your entries by clicking on Start or Revisit next to Stocks, Cryptocurrency, Mutual Funds, Bonds, Other. This action will take you directly into the Investment Income section, where you can see a comprehensive list of your investment-related activities. Now, you'll want to either edit or review your investment accounts. Click on Edit or Review next to any investment account you have listed, or you can proceed through the main investment interview. This section is designed to help you ensure all your investment information is correct and up to date. It's also where you'll enter your capital loss carryover amounts. Take your time to go through each entry, ensuring that all losses and carryovers from previous years are accurately reflected. This step is vital as it can influence the amount of tax you owe or the refund you'll receive. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to accurately completing the capital loss carryover section in TurboTax. Remember, attention to detail is key. Double-check each entry to ensure that your financial data is both complete and correct, which will help you avoid any unnecessary complications or issues down the line. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it simplifies the process of reporting your capital loss carryover. By taking the time to input this information accurately, you can potentially reduce your taxable income and optimize your tax return. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your tax filing.